Yes, my dear student, I have brought the quadratic sequence example. Some of the example of the quadratic sequence we have already how the quadratic equation is identified. Their first difference are difference and second difference are equal. That we have already taken the example. I have taken already example it. But from the quadratic sequence one solving example, that is 0 taken 0, 5, 12, 21 and 32. Suppose first their difference, suppose first difference, how it is quadratic equation or not, to determine first difference 0 and 5 and second difference 12 minus 5, how much, student? You know, 7. And now 21 minus 12, this give how much? 21 minus 12, this give 9. Yes. And now 32 minus 21, this give 11. Yes, student. Now this sequence is have different, their common different, first common different are different and second difference and 7 minus 5 2 and 9 minus 7, this give 2 and 11 minus 9, this give 2. Yes, first difference are different but second difference of that sequence are equal. That type of sequence is known as quadratic sequence. So student, now we'll take the general term of quadratic. First of all, we have identified what type of sequence is this. We identify this, find that it is a quadratic sequence because first difference and second difference, first difference are no equal and but second difference are equal, so it is quadratic sequence. So general term of this sequence is now Tn is equal to a n square plus bn plus c. Now student, put first term T1, we have T1 value. What is the T1 value? Look here, 0. T1 equal to 0 and 1 here. N means value is 1 here, 1. Value of n is 1. Put here a into 1 square plus b into 1 plus c. That 0 equal to 1 square means a plus b plus c. Now this left, and now T2, put T2 here. T2 value is, what is the value? T2 5. Look there, 5. And put 2 value in this sequence. 2 square means 4 into a, 4a plus 2 into b, 2b plus c. Now these two equations you can solve it. Similarly T3, look T3, put T3 value here. How much T3 value is 12. Then 12 and 3 here, put n is n square means 3 square means 9a plus 3 into b, 3b plus c. Now solve this, solve now 0